Yeah, the study guide. Where do I find the presentation? So there's two ways to find the presentation. Number one is have them go to one of the dates that they were in class and click on step one and click on the link underneath that. It'll take them to the website for the presentation associated with the study guide. The second way is you go on the assessment day, in this case, the 20th, scroll towards the bottom, and where it says resource for the quiz, click here. That is what you'll click on, and it'll take you to this presentation. Normally, every study guide, normally you won't see this step one because this is just the introduction. The video that you're currently watching is this Watch Me so that you see the structure of how these study guides work. So they'll always have a title slide, in this case, the NGSS, and it says go through these and present slideshow mode. What that means is move your mouse to the top right, click on slideshow. And the reason being is because essentially the students are going to go through this slideshow from the beginning to the end in present mode because it has several animations. So I'm gonna go through the next slide. To go to the next slide, press spacebar, right arrow, enter, or click. You'll see click on the image on the left to open the study guide. So if you for some reason the student is not present or misplaces the study guide, you click on the link on the top left and it'll take you to the study guide. In this case, here is the study guide first page and then the document that you guys are currently seeing. So have your child write the period that they're in for science, the first and last name, and guardians, please don't sign this until they have completed the entire study guide. The student is to put a check mark if they have completed the test successfully, and if they're struggling, please have them put an X. And then at the bottom, where it says use this area to explain what you need help on, please have them explain why was it that they were struggling with letter A, B, C, D, or etc. I'm going to go back to the presentation and press spacebar. And you'll see the Quizlet. So Quizlet tends to be the slide immediately after the study guide. Click on the Quizlet image, and it'll open up this Quizlet card. It's for this case the NGSS flashcards 2022-2023. And I'll ask you to scroll down, and you'll see the terms in this set are 9. Here are the terms: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the terms that the students are going to have, and essentially it's flashcards. So digital flashcards. The acronym for Next Generation Science Standards. That's the first one. The answer to that is NGSS. You click on the flashcard, and it'll take you to that. So that's how you utilize that flashcards. Now, as the guardian, you want to make sure that they know these flashcards. Once they have them all correct, have your child put the put the check mark, and then it says at the very end, I found them on slide number blank. So for that, you go to the presentation and press escape, and it'll show you on the left side what slide number it is. In this case, it's slide 4. So on their version, they're going to write the number 4. And then you'll continue through the slideshow, but I'm just going to go through the next one. It says, based on the practice acronym from the lesson date September 13, 14, I was able to match the acronyms for all 5 vocabulary words. So this is an activity that we did in class. I'm going to go back to the presentation, click on slideshow, and I'm just going to press spacebar, and the students are more than welcome to rewatch the videos that they did in class. And again, notice how this is, each time I click there is a new piece of information. So that's what it means by animation. So that's why we ask you to do in present mode. Vocabulary that the student studied, you can have them practice NGSS. You can say, my child, what's NGS stand for? It's Next Generation Science, and you can go through that using this presentation. And then finally, sometimes, like I said, on the study guide, it says practice acronym. So the title will typically be on the left side whenever I have a specific activity that I want them to do. So look for the title on the left side. And this particular case, they're going to uh, use the acronym and write it. So for example, number 1 was performance expectation. On like the whiteboard or sheet of paper, they should have written PE, and that's what they did for this activity. So where this is located is on slide 11. So on their study guide, they would write slide 11, and that's how you go through this entire um, study guide and slideshow. Thanks so much for watching, and